Hi, I'm James Brains, and thank you for tuning in for the Brains Report unboxing of the Villeroy and Boch 64-piece New Wave silverware set. I should tell you right now that I got this for free, but it's not what you're thinking. You see, I did a lot of research and looked for the best flatware the world had to offer. I went all over searching, and I discovered that the Villeroy and Boch New Wave set was the best available. And so I contacted them and asked if I could review their unit, if I could have some pieces, and they were more than willing to hook me up. And now I'm going to share them with you. Now, something you should know about this. This silverware is probably worth more than my life. It's kind of on the pricey side, but it's also something that's going to last you. It's made of 1810 stainless steel. The 18 and the 10 refer to the amount of certain alloys within it. I believe it is chromium and iron. I could have those reversed. Anyway, you want 1810 is basically the gold standard. It's the best you can find, and it's going to last you the longest and not corrode or look like crap. 18.8 is okay. 18.0, you're starting to push your luck, buddy. Anyway, I've got a nice knife here to open it. Comes with some nice bedding in here. Okay, there's a burst. The kids might have fun with this. I might find another use for it. I'll just hold on to that. I think there's a little bit more. Oh, this looks awesome. Toss this box to the side. It's got a beautiful box. Take a look at that. Wow, it's a real beaut. 1748. It's exactly 270 years ago. I want to take a look at this before I share it with you. There's a piece of paper explaining everything that's in here in various languages. I can probably share this with you. Hey. There's a nice little foam cover. The very top layer just had these. These are each of the pieces. The cool thing is the knife. You can look at it there. The knife you can set down either way. You can set it with the blade facing down. I don't know if you can see that. Or with the blade sideways. Show you a spoon. Beautiful. And the fork. More beautiful. Day bow bow. And then you got a salad fork. Yeah. And your salad spoon. Please don't eat salad with a spoon. And the rest course, I'm not going to take these all out of plastic while you watch. I feel like you'd get very bored. But it's all here in piles. There's special serving pieces. Yeah, let me see if I can get that loose. This is your Jello spoon. Your little Smokies fork. Your misbehaving kid spoon. And your misbehaving kid spoon when you want to like leave a weird hole in the middle. Or slotted spoon, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's unboxing. And I hope you will seriously consider subscribing to our channel so that you can see my review in about a month of this silverware. Good night.